Hi everyone, welcome to the Sweet and Savory Show. I'm holistic nutritionist Talia Sage, and today we're going to do a case study on stress management, lifestyle, and nutrition.
And I am Josh Randall. I am the Director of Operations for Sweet and Savory Health, and I am going to be the guinea pig for this video. I'm going to take you guys on a journey of how to get into beast mode.
What do you mean by beast mode?
Beast mode can mean different things to different people, especially for a lot of dudes out there. But for me, it means having a tremendous amount of physical and mental energy to get everything done in the day, and also looking and feeling my best.
Well, doesn't that sound wonderful? Stress is actually the bottom root cause we're dealing with here. It's easier said than done when we talk about stress management. So we're going to work on your case together and take you guys on a journey. We're going to work on your sleep, we're going to work on your nutrition and exercise routine.
I can't wait to show you guys, so sit right back and enjoy. And if you have any questions, definitely put them at the bottom here, and like and subscribe as well. So let's
get started.
Yeah. Hey everyone, it's just a little past 11 at night. Congrats to me because I very seldom go to bed before midnight. There's just way too much to do. So I'm gonna give myself a little pat on the back, and this is a really good reminder that basically taking enough time to get yourself into a power down mode so you're ready to go to bed before midnight is super important. I know that a lot of you guys are hustling. You need as much time as possible to get everything done, but really sleep is your key unlock here to really gain the levels of energy that you're looking for, especially mental energy. So for myself, knowing obviously that sleep helps process free radicals and toxins in the body, it helps rejuvenate your cells, and it's going to give you that critical mental energy and just basically ability to function that you need to get through the day. I'm making it a priority to go to bed before midnight, and I'm going to do a workout tomorrow, see if this makes a difference. Over the past, I would say 5 days or so, I've been getting up around 6:30 and doing a jog and stuff like that, but I feel like I'm really pounding a dead horse. Like I just feel completely exhausted and really tired, and I'm like, okay, I need to really improve my sleep game. So that's gonna be the key way for me to get into beast mode. And I bet if I go to bed now, I'll feel a hell of a lot better tomorrow. So let's find out. Hey everyone, so I'm in the gym. I am trying to get my act together. I'm trying to get beefed up, and I've been getting really good sleep lately, which is, like I mentioned before, really critical in terms of enabling your body to process the toxins and things that are flowing through. It really helps your cells rejuvenate, and it's pretty critical for gaining the energy that you need to get through the day, quite obviously. So I feel wonderful. I woke up to an amazing breakfast. I had, a beautiful smoothie loaded with amazing ingredients and lots of vegetables, citrus as well, to give me some extra added power. I put some maca powder in there too to just give me some additional leg up in terms of energy. So I'm feeling really amazing. So let's do it. Let's grind it out. Time to get to beast mode. This workout has been pretty good. I worked myself to the bone. I'm pretty sweaty, but I feel so much better, and I feel like I have a ton more energy just by making sure that I get at least 7 hours sleep. I know that's really hard, especially for entrepreneurs. I know for myself, like there's always a temptation to work till like 1 or 1:30 in the morning. There's so much to do. But honestly, you can't scrimp on sleep. You really need to make sure that you're getting adequate sleep, 100%. There's no other way around it. Like, we have to look after that function, otherwise you're really just working against yourself. Think about the 80-20 principle, right? It's sort of like trying to, rather than work against your body, you need to do what your body needs. You need to give it what it needs. So you get 80% of the results with 20% of the effort and the work. So always try to work smarter rather than harder, and definitely making sure you get enough sleep is working smarter. So make sure you guys do that, and I'll keep you updated on my progress. Whew. All right, peace out for now.
Hi guys, we are at the market right now. I'm going to show you what we're going to put on a stress busting menu. Come this way. Come. So when I think about stress, when you're not even hungry, this is especially when we need to pay attention to our digestive juices, because when you're in fight or flight, we're not producing enough. So what we're going to do is look at that green wall over here, and that's where my menu inspiration comes, when your body is going through chronic daily stress. So here, well, this wall is a little bare, but usually I'll start with the bitter greens. I will see if they have them in bulk, but basically this is what captures it. Baby lettuce blend, we're talking about like think bitterness, radicchio, baby kale, even mustard green, arugula. Those are great little lettuce that you can have along with good quality protein, like we showed you guys in the last footage, to really help your body, like prime your digestion to take in all the nutrients you're going to have. So now, let me show you one of my favorite lettuce. It's not only great for your salad, but it's also great for detoxifying your body. You see, these are your dandelion greens. It's not what you find on your front lawn, guys, because those are sprayed by pesticides. But these are organically grown dandelion greens, and they're slightly bitter. So great with your protein. It makes a perfect stress-busting meal. And another thing that's very, very important is to really help your body to move that toxins along. So remember when we talk about when your body's in fight or flight mode, your whole digestive tract slows down. You're not really moving toxins out like you normally would. So this is when the cabbage, broccoli, we call them cruciferous vegetable. That's when they come in. We are at one of my favorite local grocery stores, and look at the selection. I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite cruciferous veggies. These are called broccolis. Broccoli would do just fine, but I like them because they look cuter, and the name is cuter too. Don't forget ginger. This is going to be a lifesaver, especially when in the morning I like to add like a huge chunk in my smoothie. You can do the same. It's going to really kickstart your digestive juices and make sure you're taking in all the beautiful ingredients you put in your smoothie. For detoxing, artichoke. For the brave-hearted, well, personally, I love these. Brussels sprouts are great with some grass-fed lamb. I love these. They're so delicious, and they're from the Beastmode family. And guys, I want to show you just the beauty and the magic in your plain white button mushroom. These are full of chromium, so when your blood sugar is going up and down because you're going through that stressful week, stressful month, these are going to be a really great addition to make a focus on your stress-busting menu.
Hi everyone, we are in the kitchen, as you can
Welcome.
see, and we are about to get started on a meal that's going to help me combat my stress. So, Talia, take it away. What is this?
We are going to make a protein-packed green collard wrap. So the base, they're called collard greens, so jam-packed with minerals, and they're much higher in calcium than kale. 2 of these green leaves give you 100 milligrams of calcium, that's going to help you build stronger bones.
Perfect. And we got some arugula. So what is arugula is bitter, right? So that helps move things along in the gallbladder, if I'm not mistaken. Is that right? Is it good for...
That's a very good answer. And also it's going to stimulate all of your digestive juices production. This way you're going to be able to take in all the beautiful nutrients without the bloat.
Oh, sounds good.
And also another way I use bitter in my practice is helping clients to reset their taste buds. It's going to help you reduce those dessert cravings after the meal.
Wow, that's perfect. I need that. So we got some tofu. Now, I've heard that tofu can affect your testosterone levels. Is that accurate?
Well, in some way, it's true when it's consumed at very, very significant amount. And as you know, probably you don't know this, soy product is hiding in so many different types of processed foods and names that we don't even associate with soy, such as dancing gum, texturized vegetable protein, there's soybean oil. So all of those contribute to our soy consumption. But when you consider soy that you can see with your eyes is just tofu, plain non-GMO organic tofu, it actually produces this very weak phytochemical called isoflavones, and they don't act like estrogen, plain estrogen in your body. It actually helps to reduce high estrogen level. If the estrogen level is too high, it has this modulating effect instead of becoming estrogen in your body. So what you want to look out for are those processed type of food.
Got it.
Try to avoid that.
So what would be considered to be too much soy?
So if you're having those store-bought milk, nut milk every day and having a lot of processed food in your diet, something that you don't know what the ingredients are, or you just too you don't want to look into it because the list is too long, those are the kind of things you want to look out for, because in our food chain 70-80% of food has soy ingredients in them, so those are the kind of soy you want to look out for.
Got it.
So soy is on its own, organic soy, packed with protein, and for using this once, twice a week, you are completely fine.
Awesome. So that looks like hemp hearts to me. So what are some of the benefits of hemp hearts?
Hemp hearts are great because it has a very comprehensive amino acid profile, meaning they have all the beautiful building blocks for maintaining your healthy muscle tone. Plus, it's a great source of essential fatty acid that's going to keep your neurons firing, keep your brain sharp, and it's going to keep you satiated longer as well.
Awesome.
So,
my favorite. Look at that.
I wish you guys can smell these. They are free-range turkey sausage. So we're using this kind of like a flavor enhancer, a condiment meat, if you know what I mean. Using it just a little bit to enhance the amino acid profile, because cortisol, as we know it, is a metabolic hormone that's going to break down lean muscle, that's going to decrease your metabolism. So we want to introduce some animal protein to help speed up the muscle regeneration, muscle repair, so you can maintain healthy muscle tone even when you have chronically high stress level in your body.
Perfect. And where is that sausage from?
This is from a local farm where their birds are allowed to roam freely in the grass. They're able to socialize with one another. Long story short, they had a very happy life.
That's super important. Awesome.
And to top it all off, oh, I need a spoon. Hold on a second. So we're going to use a little bit of cashew turmeric spread to top it all off. Look at this beautiful wrap. This is going to help hold all the ingredients together, and the turmeric is going to help combat the chronic inflammation brought on by high level of stress.
I can't wait to try this.
And then to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Would you like to give it a try?
Let's go for it.
There we go.
Oh, it's a little messy. Well, it's gonna go in. It's gonna go. Woo! Awesome. Thank you so much, Talia.
Thank you so much for coming to our kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking segment, and I'll see you guys next time.
And if you guys have any questions about stress, and if you have any tips on how you combat stress, not in terms of nutrition, but let's say techniques and things that you do, maybe mindfulness.
Any affirmation that you do, please share in the comment box below.
Absolutely, let us know, and we look forward to conversing with you. All right, have a good one. Cheers, bye-bye.